Hey yo, good morning. So today we're gonna have a short ride but uphill. So we agreed to start at 4 a.m. but I was deep in sleep. We start already now almost 6. So 6 na na. 6 na di ay. So together with me is Yani.
Last bag na.
Asa ta?
Bediao.
Okay. We will go to Bediao kay Chadag View ug magfagway angay. So we rest a little bit. So water break, then pee break. So let's go.
Exercise yun. Exercise ginagawa.
Right. Because of boring uphill, plain cemented road, that really hurts. So me and Yani decided to turn left and take some small trails. So here we go. Wow, sa taas, malibutan ba eh. Yeah. Go, 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 not, go, 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 nah, go, not, go, Yani, focus. Alright, okay, calm down, relax your muscle. So we will enter this rocky road. This road actually one of the route being used in the Tayuktok MTB race and Darwin first MTB race. Yeah. So Yani is attacking the decent uphill, so I was forced to run after him. Pahingi, Roy! Kuya Ani. Alright. Hala. Oh my god. Ah! Lisod na ba? Kulba. So alright, we're back. So we decided to go over here sa Nia Dam to look for some trails and to have fun. So we discovered this what you call technical downhill. So I tried it myself already. Then Yanni want also to try. So here he is. Focus ra. Oops. Important is the balance. Yeah. You did it. Woo! For UCI na. UCI Danau. Kolba. Nice.
Okay na gid itong una kadudo ako diri.
Kuya Wan.
Dili ko first time na ako. Like sige ko dodo nga mari ko ere.
So how was the first time to
First attempt was a fail, but second was a success.
yeah. So what lesson did you learn?
Always learn from your mistakes.
Yeah. Then always keep trying.
Yeah. So that's it.
So that's all. So we will proceed to cemented uphill going to Bediao. Bye. Alright.
Paningan.
Kuan, tugnaw kay diri. Nanguros.
Di ko na tugbong nila tugbongan.
Tay, painiton sa nato ni. Palibot. Tugnaw kay ang mga idol oh. Gaulan. Then ka fog.
Ingin na.
It's nature
Basta
works. Ha?
Basta live.
Kapuyo na kayo eh.
Ano?
Napoy lakon.
Apa solo ra ko?
Bye-bye.
Joke.
Amping baslay. Hey, what's up mga idol? So we're still here in Bediao. So we are stranded here for almost more than an hour. So we stay here for a while guys because it's still raining outside. And 9:40, almost an hour. If you look at this mga idol, we're supposed to go there, up there. There's a trail there going to Mount Linis, but still accessible by bike. But due to unfavorable weather, we cannot make it today. So here is our bike. Yeah, that's right. So me and Yanni decided to stay for a while because it's risky to go down, especially the road is very slippery. Am I right?
Yes.
So in a few minutes, if the rain goes away, then we will go home. Yeah. So the weather is not with us today. We want to go further, but it's very very cold here. So I think that's all for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Papa P, Hovering Traveler page and YouTube channel. Mga idol, so we cannot wait. The rain will stop, so we will go home now. We just make sure that we will ride slowly in the downhill because it's very dangerous. The road is very slippery today. So let's go, Yanni. Tumawa. Bye bye, Bediao. About a 10, I should fuck her in a Benz. Make me say they run my